Hi, in this Blender tutorial, I'll demonstrate to you that how I model this thing in Blender, so let's get into it. Here you can see that I have a default scene. Now I press A and that's delete. Press Shift A, add a circle and come back down to this menu and just reduce the vertices to 3. Now I zoom in a little, press 7 on the numpad and enter edit mode by pressing tab and add F and then I. It's up to you. X, then face, and now delete this. So and now press Ctrl R to add some loop cuts. Now we don't need this, so press X and F, and I don't need this edge also, so I just go to the vertex select mode, press A and limited dissolve, select this vertex, Ctrl Shift B. Now extrude it out, and to extrude it here we just need to normal like this, okay, and select this edge, press EZ or move it down, move it out, global, okay, select this too and press Ctrl B to bevel it, okay, like this. Now I will go to modify stack and add a solidify modifier 0.05. you can do whatever you want, but I like this. So now I'll just select this, press Shift D, press R and 120. Now I want to snap it this area to here. To do this quickly and accurately, just select this vertex, press Shift S, cursor to selected, right click, origin 3D to cursor, okay. Now select R this and Shift S, cursor to selected, select this one, Shift S and selection to 3D cursor. So now it's here, okay. Now I press Shift T and make another copy and by rotated by 120 degrees, and now I will snap it here. So I'll just select this, Shift S, cursor to selected, Shift S, selection to the cursor, okay. Now I'll just select these. If you don't see any gap in between, like I wanted origin to here, so I just select all three, press tab and select these vertices and press Shift S, cursor to select it. Now I selected my original one and right click and object mode and origin to 3D cursor, so I have origin in the right place, okay. Now I select, we don't need this, so we can delete this. Now in the solidify modifier, I'll just increase the thickness and move up, select this original one and then add a boolean modifier and select this one and apply the boolean. Now you can see that our shape is ready. Now just complete it, press Shift T, R 120, Shift T, R 120, and if I just do random, you can see that our shape is ready. And so that's for all. That's how I did it. Thank you for watching.